This is an early 1950s Hoover Model 28. The second most produced vacuum cleaner of all time. The first most produced being the Electrolux Model 30 or XXX. This was produced from the late 1940s, just post-war, up into the early 1950s. So it was the cleaner of choice during the baby boom post-war. And so tons of these things were sold as servicemen were returning from the war and setting up a home. What I'd like to do today is demonstrate how this cleaner works. They really work well. The bag on this unit is a reproduction. Somebody made this and sold it on eBay, and I bought it. The cleaner isn't entirely perfect. You'll hear that the brushes make a little bit more noise than they ordinarily would. This is due to excessive wear on the commutator. It's no longer perfectly flat. One of these days I'm going to take it into work and put it on the lathe there and turn it flat, and then it'll probably run much smoother. Without further ado, I will take it for a spin. This concludes my demonstration of the Hoover Model 28. If anybody has any questions about this cleaner or any others, feel free to post a comment and I can explain it. Oh, by the way, these actually had a converter system for the hose, just like the later Hoover convertibles did. It just didn't speed up the motor. Down here is where the hose slide-in converter will slide in. I have a whole set of attachments that will fit this cleaner, but it'd be quite difficult to bring them out and demonstrate it on this unit. Just to be noted, the power out of one of these things is much less than a Hoover convertible with attachments. I also have a fairly rare cleaner, a Hoover Model 305, which is a stripped down version of the 28. It, however, has not been fixed up and put back into service. It is in very terrible condition. I got it at the same estate sale in which I acquired the CT100 as well as my ESR meter. The CT100, I must add, is no longer mine.